Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's episode, very short, very simple. I'll be installing aftermarket subwoofer with the amplifier into my Discovery 2. Cheap and cheerful. I got the subwoofer online for €50. I got the amplifier from Vivor. It's rated for the subwoofer. That's a 400 watt subwoofer, and the amplifier is 400 watt rated mono amp, made for subwoofers. I got that from Vivor for, I think it was €87, and I also got a set of just a simple generic wire loom to wire everything up. Again, I think it was around, it was €20, maybe 15, something like that, on Amazon. So all in €150, give or take, just to bring that low tone to a little bit higher level. Obviously, the first thing you want to do is wire up, feed the cables. So positive supply from the battery, try to route it into the engine bay and all the way to the back of the car. So I'll do that now. Fuse connected, wire fed, and it goes there. There's a rubber grommet on it. You just need to drill it and feed the wire in, and obviously don't connect anything yet. That's your final step. Just have it all kind of more or less laid out. So now on the inside, you can actually check. Oh, well, there you go. So that's where the cable came out of, just over there. Perfect. So now I'm just gonna feed the cable inside, in here, and all the way to the end. Cable is fed. I've put it all the way in here, like you've seen. It wasn't really that hard to to do. Just need to push the panels away a little bit. Now, one tip: if you are doing it in your car and you own a Discovery, this one is a 5-meter cable, the standard one. Ideally, if you can get 7-meter one, yeah, 7-meter one would be just perfect. So you can put the subwoofer either on this side, on that side. So I literally miss about 2 meters. That would have been much handier. I am considering extending the cable. Whether I'll do it, I don't know. Did I do it? No, not for the moment. I might do it later on. You can always extend the cable, that's no problem. Right, anyway, let's wire up oh actually no, I need to get the earthing point. And that will do. I'll connect earthing point in here. So your earthing points are literally over there. Alright guys, sorry about this, but the battery in the camera went dead. So in the meantime, what I was able to do is I fitted everything, extended the cables a little bit. I don't know, I just didn't have a trust in the other ones. And now I am trying to arrange the cables so they will be fairly neat. Once I'll finish doing it, I have a plan of actually feeding the cables through here and through the central console and up to the radio. So I don't know, we'll see would that work. Right, so for the moment I'm just gonna leave it like this. Might attach it somewhere in here or in here, I don't know, but for the moment I'm gonna leave it like this. Everything is working spot on. I'm delighted with the result. For €150, you cannot get anything better than that. I strongly recommend you to upgrade your sound system in a car, because it is just such a enjoy to drive, especially if you like to listen to loud music. So guys, for the moment that's it from me, and I will see you all shortly. Thank you.